Hey team, you guys know I go on and on about the importance of nutrient-dense foods. Well, one of my favourite nutrient-dense foods are these Linwoods Milled Flaxseeds with added bioculture and vitamin D. Let's get into it. Now, these Linwoods flax seeds have been cold milled to preserve their nutrients and make it easier for our body to absorb all of those important nutrients. One of my favorite and top nutrients that I say we need in our diets all the time are omega-3 fatty acids. We can't make them ourselves, so we need to get them from our diet. And Linwood's flax seeds are chocked full of alpha linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid which can help keep our heart healthy and maintain healthy blood cholesterol levels. I'll take a little bit more of that. Thank you very much. Linwood milled flax seeds also have 100% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin D. And when there's not enough sun outside during these winter months, that's a great way to boost your vitamin D levels, which is essential in supporting your immune system, healthy bones, healthy brain, and muscle cells. I'll take all of that and more. Thank you very much. Now, before I go, because I need to leave this for about 30 minutes, I've got enough time to tell you that flax seeds and linseeds are exactly the same thing. Let's give that a good stir, and it should thicken up nicely in about half an hour. A hot topic right now is our gut health, and the more we learn about our gut health, the more we know that a healthy gut microbiome is linked not just to our health, but our well-being as well. And one of our gut microbiome's favorite things to feast on is fibre. And these Linwoods flax seeds are a great source of fibre, as well as being rich in bioculture BC30, which can help provide beneficial bacteria and may support your digestive system and immune health. So I'll take more of that. Thank you very much. Now, as a vegetarian, I'm always looking for plant-based ways to get more protein into my diet. And these Linwood flax seeds are an excellent source of plant protein. Now, isn't this looking gorgeous? All it needs is a little bit of berries on there. Yum. And I've got myself a plant-based Linwood flax seeds tiramisu. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Now, how good does that Linwood flax seeds healthy tiramisu look? Full of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and deliciousness. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so good and so healthy.